This is the video for the new bag for the Lucas device made by Thomas EMS here. I just wanted to show a couple of the features. So first of all, you'll see kind of similar size to the other one. This one's made out of a hard plastic and this one's made out of two types of material. Either easy to wipe down, easy decon, fluid-free bag, or out of Cordura. A couple of things you'll notice. First thing you'll notice is on the lid, you have on this bag, the zipper is on the very top. So the whole device sits down in the bottom, whereas this bag, you'll notice it's kind of in the middle. The top's superior for a couple of reasons, primarily it's zipper strain. The zipper also goes only on three sides. You'll notice it doesn't go here around the bottom. Again, that's so that you get less zipper strain going around the corner. When we open up this bag, you'll notice that the device sits down inside. The removable backpack straps are in here. You also have a removable pouch to contain all of your cords and other straps and stuff that sits right here in between. Any paddles or whatever else you need. Everything that we make here has metal swivel snap hooks, metal D-rings, so those come standard always. Then you also have this accessible little clear pocket here to slide in and out this piece. This device is held in and secured by, it's got a block around the head, so it makes it hard to put out. It also doesn't sit when it's open. You'll notice it collapses and compresses in when it's set down in here. I'm gonna close it up here, show you a couple other features from the outside. Carry handles, both the side and the top. The back has charging, so you can charge it while it's still in here, and then you can even hang the charging cord outright and keep it in. It's got a couple of D-rings to secure it if you need to. You also have access to the top of the device through the clear vinyl window, so you can push the buttons, test, see what it is you need to test. So that's all available as well. So